Hello friends, Microsoft has released this out-of-band update KB5077744 for the remote desktop issue. The update is only available manually through Microsoft Update Catalog. So try to install this update via Microsoft Update Catalog first. If you get any error or issue, then follow the next methods to fix it. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. After clicking on the link, you will reach this page. Here are multiple files. Check which file is compatible with your system. For this, check your system type. Click on Start. Go to Settings. Click on System. Scroll down and click on About. Here is system type. 64-bit operating system, x64-based processor. This is my system type. Check yours and determine the file compatible with your system. x64 based systems for 25H2. Check which file is compatible with your system and click on the respective download button. This is KB5077744. Click on this link. Let the download complete. Once completed, go to the download location. For this, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Downloads, which is generally the download location. Right click on the just downloaded MSU file and select Open. Preparing the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. If the problem still persists, fix problems using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here is Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall now. On this pop-up, click on OK. After you will click on OK, the repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will start downloading automatically. Let the download complete. After completion, a Restart Now pop-up will appear. Click on that option and install the repair version. Then try to install the update. If the method doesn't work and issue still occurs, then try running Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. For Windows Update, click on Run. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete running the troubleshooter. The next method is Reset Windows Update Components. For this, open the command prompt first, click on Search, type CMD, right click on the result, select Run as Administrator, then go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Run these commands each line at one time. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. In this way, run all these commands. After running the commands, restart your computer. Then check for updates. The next method is run system files checker and DISM tools. Again, open command prompt, click on search, type CMD, right click on the result, select Run as Administrator, go to the video description. You will find these DISM and SFC command lines here. Copy the SFC SCANNOW command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Let the process 100% complete. Once 100% completed, run the DISM RestoreHealth command. Copy from the description, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check for updates and try to install it. If any methods don't work, then run in place upgrade. Launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link, scroll down to the download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices section. Click on select download, select multi-edition ISO for x64 devices and click on confirm. Now select the product language. Check the language of your system first. Click on start, go to settings, go to time and language, click on language and region. Here is Windows display language. This is English United States. Click on choose one and select the language of your system. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Once done, click on the folder icon. Select the ISO file. Click on mount. Click on open. Right click on setup.exe. Select open. Uncheck this box. If this box is checked, it will take much more time. So uncheck it and click on next. Click on accept for applicable notices and license terms. Finally, click on install. Your computer will restart several times and Windows 11 will be installed, including the out of band update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.